Oh wait, that's a mouthwash.
I'm doing it now.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Would you like some?
I'm just hopping on here just quickly because yesterday the Thieves Premium Starter Kit came down significantly in price, and I think you might have heard me talking about it before, so I thought I would show you what comes in it and then tell you a little bit about why I like all of these products, and I'm going to try and do it in less than 3 minutes. So here's my lovely assistant. Why are you starting with the mouthwash? So first of all, it does come with a mouthwash. It is lovely. It's free from alcohol, it has no dyes and no artificial flavours. It's quite spicy and it lasts for a really long time. So can we have the toothpaste now so that it makes some sort of sense? Here's the toothpaste. It's really lovely. It's got peppermint and spearmint essential oils, and always, no synthetic dyes. Stop. Okay, my assistants have let me down, so I'm going to just show you myself. Can you pass me the oil, please? So this is the Thieves Essential Oil. This is what the entire product line is based on. It's got lemon, cinnamon bark, clove, eucalyptus radiata, and another one. I can't remember what's in it now.
I'll read it for you.
And this is the Thieves Household Cleaner. So
it also has rosemary.
I said rosemary.
You did? I didn't.
So this is the Thieves Household Cleaner. It looks like a tiny bottle, but it will last forever. This one bottle can make 28. Can you go and get me the Thieves? 28 of the glass bottles, and it works out to be only 78 cents. So not only is it highly effective, it is also good for you because you've got the benefit of the oils while you're doing the cleaning. So it makes, this one bottle makes 28 of these at a grand cost of 78 cents.
Per bottle.
Per one of these.
It was 78
and
cents total.
Something very coveted right now that you can't find in a lot of places. This is the hand purifier. It's a hand sanitizer. It's got peppermint oil. It doesn't have any triclosan in it. Smells lovely, and it doesn't dry your hands out. What's next? The Thieves spray.
Oh yes, this is a good one.
This is a really good one. This tiny little bottle I carry around with me everywhere.
We lost it
It's
once.
It's very powerful. I put it on door handles. If somebody's touched my credit card, I will spray my credit card with it. This is really an amazing product. And I'm not going to tell anybody that. We use it for some other things too. And this is the foaming hand soap. I think this is one of the reasons why we have managed to remain so healthy, is that I have this soap at every single one of our sinks. We don't use any other hand soap. You just pop this bottle on it. It lasts for quite some time as well. It smells lovely. It smells like all the Thieves line. It smells like Christmas. And what else? Oil. The oil itself. Did I already talk about that?
We did that.
Okay. 3 minutes, 25 seconds. We did it. Bye. Can you turn it off?